Good morning, traders. Welcome to the mini Thunderdome. Today is August 24th, 2022. If you're new to the channel, we are a live trading channel. We trade ES and MES usually Monday through Friday. You're welcome to join and watch us trade. If you do so, you're doing so at your own risk. Good morning to you all. All right, disclaimer out of the way. Okay, let's take a look. So VPOC keeps on moving up. So right now it's at 41.31. So it went to 32. Now it's 31. Our targets haven't really changed much. On the short side, it's 33, which we're already under, and then 22.11, which is the low, and then 07, and then obviously 4100, and then 4093 and 4073. Long shot 4058 on the short side. Long targets 4158, 4162, 4171, 4180, 4200, and then 4208, 4229, and on. Support we have at 4110 and 4100. Then resistance at 4140, which is a little under our high, and then also between 50 and 60. So I took a long yesterday on the ETH. I was a little tight on my stop, but market went straight to my second target. First target was, I believe I went long at 17. First target was 24.75, and then second target was 40.75. By 1 point or 0.75, I missed by starting already the day with $2,000. So I was a little bit tight. I didn't want to monitor the trade the whole night, so yeah. And I just want to say thank you for all you guys that give me a thumbs up without me asking. I really appreciate that. To all you new guys, I just asked for a thumbs up so it could help the algo. All right, let's take a look at potential scenarios. Okay, so I think the market is going to be sideways again. I think we're waiting for Jackson Hole tomorrow. So key numbers I think is going to be 41.20 and 41.52. I think we're going to be in there. If we do escape out, why do you see on the upside 70 or 80, and then on the downside we may revisit our low, but I doubt we will go down to 4100. So scenario one, go all the way down and hit that famous 20, which we have only been able to hit on the ETH, not on the RTH, and then bounce all the way up to 52. Second scenario, start and go 52 and then go down to 20 and then back all the way up to 60. And then Scenario 3 is a little more on the downside. So up to 52, down to 30, and then up a little bit, and then all the way down to 10, or maybe even stop at 20 and then back up. And then scenario 4, 52, down 25 to 60, down to 20. That's a really complex one. As far as movement, yeah, I mean the NQ usually follow the YM, usually follow sometimes gold and crude, but yeah, Russell, NQ, YM usually follow the S&P. All right, so that is the scenario look. So today is going to be all about being really picky. I'm only going to do scale trading. So I'll trade one ES and then I'll do scale on the MES of 5 contracts. You know what? I don't even think I'm gonna. All right, I'll trade one ES only because I think it's gonna be a super tight day. It's gonna be tough. It's going to be tough. I think everyone's waiting for Jackson Hole. They're waiting for the speaker on Friday. I don't think it's going to be easy. So it's going to be all about AAA trades. It's going to be a tough one. We are going to be opening up in balance. So if you guys look at a volume profile, we are within the 19th, so pretty tough. I'm sorry, no, within the 22nd, so all in value, even though we've seen a couple of lows and the high of 80 on the 22nd, we're still in value. So market always in value. Try to go out of value to go and check if we are too expensive or too cheap, and then it goes back to value, to an agreement in price, right? It's always an auction. An auction is an agreement in price. That's all it is. Once you understand that side of it, you'll start to understand more the auction theory and what price is all about. It's not about time. It's not about a 5-minute candle or 15-minute candle. It's agreeing on a price. You go to a swap meet, you agree on a price with the seller, and the seller agrees on the price with you, the buyer. And the market is the exact same thing. Is everybody agreeing on a price? And then someone will go say, well, you know, that is too expensive. I'll offer you this much. And then the price lowers, and then either people agree with it or they disagree with it. If they agree with it, then it will stay in balance for it. If they disagree with it, then someone will make a higher offer or a lower offer, and so forth and so forth. And that's how the market moves, up and down, up and down, up and down, agreeing and disagreeing in price. Agreeing, staying, disagreeing in price. Okay? I hope that helps you understand how the market works. So I'm positive a little bit here, not much to brag about, but at least I didn't wake up negative. And that was the whole thing about my tight stop. I didn't want to, it's the end of the month, I'm going to start tightening up more and more. You know, I've worked hard the whole month, and the worst thing is for you to work hard the whole month and then you give it back. That is the worst feeling. So be very careful the last week or last couple of days of trading so you don't give it back. All right, the market is starting to pick up a little bit of volume here. We are negative gamma. Market just went negative.
Volumes top sell.
So let's see how it reacts here at 25, which is prior session low, and also is a place where initiated my
ESU2 market volumes top sell.
Where initiated my ETH trade. There was a big iceberg at 25. That's where my long came from. All right. Undecisive.
ESU2 market volumes top
yes,
sell.
Very tight. But no way I can go long. Oh, it did touch 25. It did? No, it did not. Okay, so
ESU2 sell volume spike.
we have POC
ESU2
at
market volumes top sell.
28.50.
ESU2 hidden again.
Iceberg just hit right now. So let's see how it reacts here. This could be a long opportunity. Yesterday's low. That iceberg. A new iceberg. This could be the long right here. I got my finger on the trigger to go long. I don't think it's gonna happen. If it is, I don't feel comfortable. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna. Yes, I am sitting next to a waterfall. It's nice and relaxing. Hope you enjoy the sounds.
ESU2 sell volume spike.
All right, that's what I thought. Not the long yet. So nothing's clear as far as scenario. Maybe scenario 1, right? Come down to 20 and then up. So here we are, first time on ETH, and I missed it. Okay, I'm gonna look for a long here. Why is my chart freezing? Oh no, I'm having issues here. My chart's freezing. Everything froze. Holy moly. Oh, here it is. Okay. Are we back? No, we're not back. Alright, I got, and my ATM did not work on the ES.
ES-U2, by volume spike.
So I will be scaling most of my trades today. Come on, come on. Right, why isn't my my ATM strategy is not working for some reason. POC has moved down. Market accepting lower prices. Let's see if we can retest 28.50. Why did my ATM work? All right, I'm gonna be risking very little on the ES. Seems like it's bouncing off of VWAP. This may turn around. Yeah, it looks like the mid is holding. Oh, come on, come on. All right, I am having, my system is lagging here. I'm having issues. All right, as soon as I'm out of my, all right, I'm having issues here. I'm gonna have to restart the streaming.
ES-U2, market volume stop buy.
Okay, what the hell is going on here? Yeah, my system is lagging. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. I had noticed that. Okay, what's going on here? Yeah, my system